how to convert a PDF file into a Word file. So in order to do that, firstly go to Word and open the Word, and after that click on Open and click on Browse, and after that select the PDF file that you want to convert it into, and after that click on Open. A dialog box will appear, and what it basically says is that if your PDF file contains a lot of graphics, the converted file will not be as exactly as the original PDF file, but this Word will change or convert your PDF into an editable document. Here you can see the file is converted. I can edit it, and the next option is to upload into your Google Drive and open the PDF file. And you can see the option Open with Google Docs. If you press the Open with Google Docs option, the PDF file will be converted into Word file, and you can change and edit the PDF from here on. So this is how you convert a PDF file into a Word document.